when IT was asked, could you help us provide the interoperability needed to make the collaboration easier and more effective between organizations at a regional level. We're not talking of workflow inside a hospital, organizing workflow among distinct organizations. And to our surprise in IT, we found that this was actually a problem that had little solution except creating those very one-of-a-kind set of messages with a centralized system on which all of the edge system depended very, very complex architecture. So after many years of analysis, we took a bold step, which is to say, we want a profile that works like clinicians work today. They work as peers. Their IT system are as peers in their organization. Could we share the workflow status as a common resources and run the workflow, in a sense, within each organization, but passing knowledge about the workflow as it progresses as a shared knowledge among the collaborating organization? And what we found, to our surprise, is this was very supportive of the way clinicians work. They want to be in charge at any point. Any workflow can take an exception. And managing exception in a healthcare workflow in a multi-organizational space is the most important thing. And this is the main thought that XDW, cross-enterprise document workflow, is embedding. And we are seeing deployment now that are confirming its flexibility and its power and its scalability.